Tonight what we're going to do is take a look at the best-selling day pack on Amazon.com, which is made by Butterfly. They call it a crossbody sling backpack. It's listed with 15% off right now, so we paid $28.99 for it. And wow, it has 4.5 out of 5-star review, over 29,000 of them, almost 30,000. And they've answered over 191 questions, which is good. That means their customer service is on top of things. We'll go ahead and peel back the opening and open this day pack up. See what's in there. No damage to the package. And the first thing we see is that it's actually in another, like a giant Ziploc bag here. That's nice. Just in case anything happens during shipment, it's protected from any spills or other kind of damage. See, pretty good size there for a day pack. So we're going to just double check their measurements. Okay. I always like to do that just in case. It's exceeding the 15-inch measurement that's on Amazon. It's about 7.5, so that's good. It's showing about 2.5, but I guess if you stretched it out all the way full with some stuff, maybe you'd get to 3.5. But I'm not too sure about that. You can see it's pretty, it's not that thick. But maybe you would. Maybe at the very bottom you might get the 3.5 right here. Let's check it out. Still just about 3. Support number, which is good. Address, email address. If you needed any support on the product, which is nice. Also mentions that it's made out of global recycled materials, and they have a standard certificate for that listed here. See, I got the color they call sky blue. They have it available in about, let's see, about 25 different colors though, ranging from grays, blacks, greens, a couple of bright reds. I almost got the bright red because I thought that would be easy to see if I left it behind. But I love the blue, classic, and it'll match my Swiss skier backpack that I use as well. And some of the features here, you see they have an earphone hole for your earphones, so you can just let those dangle out when you're not using them. You can also see they have a water bottle holder over here, holds up bottles up to 2.5 inches wide. And also a storage area for a small umbrella, if you like. On the back side of the day pack, they have a couple of nice features. They do have a reflective tape right here. So if you got it slung across your shoulder, and I'll show you in a minute what that looks like. Headlights will bounce off of it, give you some, a little bit of safety there. It also has a nice cell phone holder here. It'll hold cell phones up to 7-inch screen size, which does include the Apple iPhone 10. You can also just use this little reflective strip here to hang your sunglasses on when you want. Also nice that it does have this breathable fabric on the back. So if you sling it across your chest or on your back and you're in somewhere like Thailand, like where we love to go to Thailand a lot, and it gets pretty hot there, you know, average temperature during the day is going to be between 90 and 105. So it does help to have that breathable mesh fabric on the back there. Most of the day packs I've had are pretty flimsy. If you hold them from the top strap, they just basically fold like a cheap plastic bag. This one's not. It's nice and firm, nice sturdy material. Feels like it's a little bit insulated too. It also has this nice safety clip right here. See, so you can actually pull that open and use that deep storage. You could probably fit a very small laptop and definitely fit a tablet in there without any issue. Or if you have paperwork that you're taking with you, say you're going to a customs office somewhere or visa renewal, you can stick all that stuff, passport and everything right in there, nice and deep and safe. It's not going to fall out. Plus with that clip on the top. If you're worried about pickpockets, that's going to help give you some added protection there. It also features a front zippered pocket, and we see it has 2 zippers, so you can get full protection on that. Nice deep space in there. You can also notice even inside it has extra pockets. It might go all the way down in there. Tremendous amount of space. Another nice thing about this day pack from Butterfly is the length of the shoulder strap. They say you can get up to 40 inches. You do have an extension down here, and I need that because I'm a tall guy. I'm about 6'1", over 200 pounds. So it's nice to have that extra space there to wrap around my neck and shoulders, especially if I wear it on the front on my chest. And you see it's all padded too. Very nice padding there. Nothing cheap about this day pack. Make it a left or right pack, where you simply just take that off there on that keyhole and put it back on. One nice feature of this day pack is how accessible they made the front pocket. Straight zipper up and down the entire length. Deep, you can put documents in here, passport, money, The zipper does not go all the way, so it can hold change in there without the change falling out. And you know, if you're slinging this on the front of your chest, you can just reach right up there, unzip it, get what you need. It's really convenient, especially if you're a destination like Thailand. A lot of the Asian destinations, to get into a tourist site ran by the government, such as the Royal Palace in Bangkok, you do need to have a passport with you, some ID to show who you are, verify you're there on a tourist visa. So that's really nice to have it so convenient for you. Or if you're just traveling through an airport, that's great to have. First thing that struck me is how strong the stitching is. You can just tell by the stitching here. It's a good sized thread, it's gonna be pretty strong. You look around, the stitching is nice and clean all the way around. One of the points on a day pack that's gonna get the most wear and tear is the shoulder. I've used a Swiss gear backpack for about 5 years now, and it's still as good as new because they take the extra time to double, even triple stitch in there. You know, they got the fold on the edge to protect the material from the fraying. There you go, stands up perfect, look at that. Really well. And as long as you have some weight in there, the bottom of that bag spreads out enough that the weight's gonna hold it up. Hold a 12-inch tablet pretty well. The thing I like about this is that this is very sturdy. It basically has a frame structure all 4 sides just due to the quality of construction and some of the edging material. Yet it's still very flexible, you can see. It holds every direction without any problem at all. As a handle, a carrying handle right there. According to the manufacturer, Waterfly, yes, it is waterproof. We'll also be taking it to Thailand for quite a while later this year. And we're gonna be there during monsoon season, so we'll let you know how that works out. But again, I don't expect any issues there. So if you're looking for a really nice little day pack, I'd strongly suggest you check out the Waterfly crossbody sling model. It's designed to be a sling across your chest or your back, whichever you're more comfortable with. If you already have one, please leave some comments below and let us know, how it's performed so far. That's all for now. We hope you've enjoyed this little review of the Waterfly crossbody sling day pack. So until next time, remember, wander the world in wonder and experience it as a happy accident. Take care.